Meet Sammy, a bright-eyed and bushy-tailed squirrel who is always eager to explore the world around him. One day, Sammy stumbles upon a glowing acorn, emanating a magical aura that captivates his adventurous spirit. As Sammy picks up the acorn, a whirlwind of magic surrounds him, transporting him to a vibrant woodland wonderland. In this new realm, Sammy encounters a group of friendly forest guardians, a wise old owl, a playful deer, and a mischievous rabbit. Together, they embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of the forest, braving challenges and solving puzzles along the way. However, dark forces lurk in the shadows, threatening the balance of the enchanted woodland. Sammy and his newfound friends must confront these challenges with courage and teamwork. Through resilience and friendship, Sammy and the forest guardians triumph over the darkness, restoring harmony and peace to the magical realm. As Sammy bids farewell to his newfound friends, he returns to his own world, cherishing the memories of his extraordinary adventure. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. Remember, the greatest adventures often await those who are curious and brave.